The simplest explanation for how a vaccine works is that it helps the human body develop immunity to a disease by imitating an infection. Once a vaccine is introduced, it starts working with the body's natural defenses.
Either receiving it via an injection or nasally or by mouth, and creating an immune response within your own body.
Using the same germs that cause disease, vaccines cause the human body's immune system to produce T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, which produce antibodies. These defensive white blood cells help fight infection, and they train the body to remember how to fight that disease in the future.
That virus or bacteria enter inside, that it will help and fight off that infection so that you don't succumb to those symptoms associated with that infection.
There are 5 main types of vaccines young children commonly get in the US. Some introduce a weaker form of the virus into the body that will not spread or make a child sick. An inactivated vaccine is made of dead germs or cells. Even though these vaccines aren't live, they still teach immune systems how to fight the live virus. TOXOID vaccines prevent diseases caused by bacteria that produce poisons or toxins in the body. Many of us get these vaccines as kids, but then later have to get them as teenagers and adults. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says there are 4 reasons why. Some vaccines, primarily inactivated, do not provide complete immunity, so more than 1 dose is needed. Another reason, with some vaccines, immunity begins to wear off over time. At that point, a booster dose is needed to bring immunity levels back up.
You can receive them again, and you can receive multiple in time in order to get that appropriate response once again to protect your immune system.
Some vaccines may need more than 1 dose to provide the right amount of antibodies to fight off an infection. And finally, an annual flu vaccine is needed because the flu may be different from season to season. Vaccines, like any medication, can cause side effects, but the CDC says most are mild. Even with advances in healthcare, the diseases that vaccines prevent can still be very serious.